In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a separate website in WP Engine for 2025. So let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll want to log into your WP Engine account. To do that, head over to my.upengine.com and sign in with your credentials. If you're having trouble remembering your details, consider using a password manager to keep your login information secure yet easily accessible. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll notice the main dashboard. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Sites. Clicking on this brings up all the current sites you have under your WP Engine account. To create a new site, look for the Add Site button and give it a click. Now comes the exciting part where you get to choose and enter a site name. This could be anything, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we'll use My New Site as an example. Once you've settled on a name that suits your new site project, hit Create Site. WP Engine will then do its magic to set up this new space for you. Next, let's move on to creating a new environment within your new site. Navigate back into your newly created site and you'll see an option to Add Environment. Choose the environment type that best fits your current needs. If you plan on going live soon, selecting Production is your best bet. WP Engine will handle the setup of a fresh WordPress install for you, so take a moment to let it configure everything. Once WP Engine has completed the setup, the next step is to log directly into your new WordPress environment. You can do this simply by clicking WP Admin from the environment dashboard. This quick access will take you right into the heart of your new site where you can start personalizing everything. Now that you're in, let your creativity run wild as you customize your site to fit your vision, explore themes, add essential plugins, create engaging pages, and tweak any settings to enhance user experience. This is your playground, so feel free to venture into new features and tools that WordPress has to offer. Last but certainly not least, you might consider adding a custom domain to your freshly created site. This is an optional step, but can be quite beneficial for branding and recognition. To do this, head over to the Domain section and select Add Domain. If you already have a domain in mind or registered, you can connect it here, giving your site a more professional and polished online